Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss about the most important topic of the molecular biology, that is SOS system. Generally SOS system is not a repair system. SOS system is a response system, which means which trigger the repair system to repair the damaged DNA into correct. SOS response only is present in prokaryotes, it is not present in eukaryotes. This type of statement questions can asked in CSR questions. SOS response only is present in prokaryotes. Must remember there are two types of proteins are involved in the SOS response system. Those are RECJ and LEX-A. First talk about the RECJ protein. RECJ protein is in inactive state in all cells. It means it always in inactive state. It get activated only when there is a DNA get damaged. It means DNA damage is a response to get activate a RECJ protein. After the activation of a RECJ protein, it shows its effect on another protein, that is LEX-A protein. Let's discuss about what is LEX-A protein. LEX-A protein is a repressor protein. It inhibits the specific type of genes which are related with the repair. LEX-A protein is type of a protein which inhibits the a special type of genes which are related with the different types of proteins and enzymes which are involved in DNA repair and mechanism. LEX-A protein is specially bound with the SOS box of a promoter and inhibit the transcription of genes by not allowing the DNA polymerase to transcribe the specific type of genes. LEX-A protein is released from the SOS box of a promoter region and get proteolytically degraded by a special type of a protein is called as a RECJ, which is activated by the DNA damage. In the given picture, LEX-A protein is bound with the SOS box of a promoter, and the genes which are shown in the green color, those are the specific genes which are related with the DNA repair and mechanism and cell division and other types of cell metabolic activities. And by binding with the LEX-A protein to the SOS box of a promoter, it does not allow the RNA polymerase to transcribe that specific proteins. So there is no transcription and there is no involvement of synthesis of proteins. When DNA get damaged, it gives signals to a RECA protein and a RECA protein get activated. And the activated RECA protein shows its activity on the LEX-A protein and degrade the LEX-A protein, which means LEX-A protein is removed from the SOS box of the promoter region and allows the RNA polymerase to transcribe the specific genes which are related with the DNA repair mechanism. This type of SOS response system only present in prokaryotes, does not present in eukaryotic organisms. By using SOS response system, damaged DNA get repaired by the synthesis of a different types of proteins and enzymes which are related with the DNA repair mechanisms. I hope you will now understand what is SOS response mechanism. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.